Hatchimo.
I'm Colton.
I'm Lexton.
Twinzos Gaming Channel.
And we are going to unbox the
Box of Awesome! Let's start off with this. Okay.
What is it? Start.
Okay. Okay, move the box. Alright.
Okay.
We got a pistol from I have no idea where.
On the unbox.
Open it.
Move!
On the unbox.
It's definitely metal. Look at this thing.
Holy crap.
We got this sick Merca patch. But this is
Let's see the America patch.
metal. Looks to be a blowback pistol, right? Yeah, this is airsoft. Wow, this
The
is
magazine
really epic. Okay, this is a magazine.
for it.
Put it in.
Back.
Yeah. So here's the pistol
Pistol
with the magazine.
and the America badge.
Yes.
Right there.
Okay, let's move on to our next item. Okay, so we got this really cool vest.
Vest.
Uh,
That's like butter.
so this, okay, this thing is epic. It's a sweet green
Camo.
camo vest.
Camo vest.
It's got a bunch of ammo pouches
Magazine packet.
and a place for your pouches.
And magazine right here.
Yep.
And speed loader. And
Okay.
grenades.
Alright, let's see. We
Airsoft.
got one more box. Okay.
This is.
And we got a
Grenade.
Conversion kit.
M4 accessory kit.
Great. Tad a grenade launcher.
This is not even.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a. I watched a YouTube video on this one, even.
And then these are.
This goes on to. It's an attachment for an M4. This is the stock, and this is the barrel. That probably slides on here. Maybe. Oh, it actually slides on here. Yep. So.
Yeah. Woo!
That's really cool.
Subscribe to Twinzos Gaming Channel.
And no. Hatchimo.
Thank you for watching.
Say.
We will record a video later of us actually shooting the guns, and maybe we'll see if we can put this accessory kit on.
Subscribe, everybody.